Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Bubbles by Deborah Schecter. Bubbles at the beach. Bubbles at the beach. Bubbles in the bath. Bubbles in the bath. Bubbles in the sink. Bubbles in the sink. Bubbles in my drink. Bubbles in my drink. Bubbles in the clothes. Bubbles in the clothes. Bubbles that I blow. Bubbles that I blow. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere I go. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere I go.